In this video, I show you how you can turn off the comments on Instagram stories. So if you want to completely disable the option so that others can't comment on your stories, here's what you can do. First of all, just head over to your profile from the bottom right. And once you're in your profile, just click on the top 3 lines at the top on the right. And after that, just scroll all the way down to this section which says how others can interact with you. Here, this is the third option, which is comments. Just select that. And here, who can comment, post and reels, set to everyone. And we are concerned about the stories. So let's click on the stories right here. And it says here, people you follow can comment on your story. So just turn that off. And that's it. Now, whenever you post any new story, no one should be able to comment on that. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.